Alrighty, buddy. Got you up and going again. You blow the peel. I put a little attenuation on the variable. I backed off the drive just a little bit, hoping that you wouldn't blow no more peels. But she's up and going for you, buddy. Radio drive. Well, we can start it like we do. Straight through SWR, 0. Input SWR, 0. Here's what I've been driving with. Hello, one's about 30 watts PUP. On the bird, 2500. Hello, audio worldwide. Like I said, I put just a little attenuation on it, hoping you wouldn't have more problems. On the LP 700. Hello, audio worldwide. So, hello, audio worldwide. She's up and ready to go. I'll beat on her. And I'll just keep this private for me and you, but you can see what we're doing here. Hello, worldwide. Hello, 1 2 1 2. But we blow the. I said we blow one peel. Audio. Good. We'll try it again, man. Appreciate your business. Hope you have a good one. Your friend 10 018 Boots. Catch you later. Bye bye.